delve into your football kakra. Sesiano. Ye go e betete Asante region so be kotoko. Asamoah Gyan be kotoko. Na as a we training when him say o call Legon FC kakra but sesia o kotoko na o ba be kotoko.
The idea I can't work. First of all, no kotoko ye team my supported from my childhood.
But my main can't show me a house.
Me so me kotoko.
Okay.
Say no house. Me so me kotoko.
And your problem.
Uchu mutanye.
Me so uchu mutanye. Me so me house.
Me so kotoko.
There you go.
Obi a team ope.
That's right.
Ntino me kotoko na my supporter ntino.
Na how am kotoko. Na at liberty now.
The main reason why man kotoko me buy once me free Europe aba. So that throughout my career in me outside. Me nya time entra Accra.
Okay.
Say me ba Accra this be a national team. My ba the holidays kakra bi na my ba. But if you say oh my ba Accra na me betina Ghana no. I say me nya a feel of Accra kakra bi a me decide say me
betina
no. Me reason why me sign ma Legon City no. Nti no sisi na I said matna cry na me who we be matna cry for a while no. I feel say now make me akọ even outside crap and I say kotoko na me can say me bon. Nti no definitely yeah.
Are you ready say kotoko approach you album?
Right now I'm approaching me why not my day I can't obi enim say I can't work. But the most important thing is I will say me fit.
Wow, who say the way I was here then when you fit.
Me fit to play in a competitive football right now. Nti definitely in there. I say me.
Now how prepared and how are you preparing to be fit?
Getting back in shape, then you be depending on me.
Now we are who adjuma.
Definitely. Say me imagine say okay, me starting and there. Me go.
Now when you started.
Me you started. Say
when him say after World Cup qualifier, now people were saying say, I then I won't prepare on Ebiana because Anya Cameroon. Eddie Roger Miller Coy. Emma Roger Miller. Eko ya mama de. Ono kra na wanyini chen. Enti no, it's not too late.
Yeah.
Arena people are still they want to have the feel of the Jan and those skills no near Saturday. Yeah. Me who say we preparation towards that.
Yeah, we say me to get back in shape no. Me funny say enye dey mama. And I stand so heading because say you getting back in shape now very very difficult way. But there my throughout my career.
You know when to get back in shape.
To get back in shape. Maximum 6 to 7 weeks I should be fine. You know with the diet, with the proper diet and consistent training and everything. I think say and by a mental thing, you have to make sure say who cycle won't say and then been started. Who started you are not turning back. And I think that I have time I can get back in shape as soon as possible. And I don't know, a bit depending on me. Me a good team around me, I'm also back on more there. But but at the end of the day, you know, me and I was say me sorry I'm not 5 o'clock could journey will beach in them and you know need not be depending on me.
Okay. Sompa Sunyane and so FI live. We are live on YouTube also. Until quickly, that is Sompa TV on YouTube and then Sompa Sunyane and on television across Ghana. Over to me, Asha and Zede Bibia Ekosu Kama.
Sompa TV, Emma Aketiapa.